Awesome. So let's just say that you have a client where you actually did the holdover and you started the case. And then the client, because you know how it is, they start getting nervous. Like, hey, I'm getting an eviction, not even an eviction. I'm being served. And you know what? It's going to damage my name. It's going to go under my name. So I'm going to go ahead and leave now. But I took advantage of the owner for 6 months. Can you help the owner go back and actually sue that client or sue that tenant for those 6 months, knowing that they were working and saying, hey, I don't have a job, but you have proof that they were working? Can you actually sue them for those non-paying months while they were working?
Yeah, this is one of the toughest options for homeowners, that it's really a hard decision for the homeowners. And so I'm going to explain. When somebody moves out, the best you can do at that point, the housing court will not have jurisdiction because they can't give you the property back. So now you're in a situation where you're suing them for money in civil court or Supreme Court. The best case scenario you're going to get out of that case is a money judgment. Money judgment is a piece of paper signed by the judge. It's not the cash. Okay. The homeowner then has to go and enforce that money judgment. And so the biggest problem with tenants is they don't usually have assets. They don't own a property. They might not even have a car. It's hard to find their bank accounts. So the best you can do is, if they have income and you know where they work, then you can put what's it called? Garnish their wages. So that's the best case scenario that you can get. And we have seen those successfully done, but that's hard to do. So the judgment is only as good as the value, the value you can get out of it. So if you can't find the tenant, if you don't know if they have a job, if they don't have any assets, it's kind of a waste of time. And it's one of those, like, just take your loss and move on to the next tenant.
Right. And what I'm even saying, it's like one of the best things, you got your home back, fix it up, rent it out, and